Why the Gita matters today. Even though the Bhagavad Gita was spoken thousands of years ago, its wisdom is still meaningful today. It teaches us how to stay calm when things go wrong, how to make wise choices, and how to be kind, even when it is difficult. The Gita reminds us that life is like a journey. We may not be able to control everything that happens, but we can always control how we respond. Whether you are in school, playing with friends, or helping your family, the Gita's lessons can guide you to become your best self. Yogasthaḥ kuru karmāṇi, saṅgaṃ tyaktvā, Dhanañjaya. Be steady in yoga, O Arjuna, and do your work without attachment. Meaning for kids: stay balanced and do your best without worrying too much.